Hello everyone, in front of me is Tecno Pova 5 Neo, and let me show you how to add photo to contact. First of all, open your phone gallery. Now go to Contacts, select the one that you want to personalize, mark Edit, and just choose the Google account if it's on your Google account, and if you want to personalize contact on your device's internal storage, just mark it. Now select camera icon, and you can either take a photo or choose something from your gallery. Let me pick some photo. Now just customize it however you like. Click on confirmation mark and click on save then. So that's it. From now on, the photo is assigned to this particular contact. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.